Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to connect Wi-Fi on Acer laptop. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to click on the right side button of your touch keyboard. Just click on the right side. After that, here move on display setting. Then here on this side you are going to find the network and internet. So click on the network and internet. Here now let's click on the Wi-Fi. Now move on this show available networks, okay, or click on manage new networks, okay. Then here on this side you are going to find this add network. Click on add network. Here you have to type the password, okay. Network name at first you have to type. In place of this, no, you just cancel this one, okay. Let's move on the easy one. Wait more. Let's move on Wi-Fi. Then manage, not manage, just move on Wi-Fi and show available networks, okay. This is the available network. So from here, which networks you want to connect, you can connect. Suppose I connect on Geo Fiber 1, and here click on connect on this side. Then here you have to enter the password security, okay. So let's put the password. So here I have finished to type my password. Then now let's click on next. Here verifying and connecting, okay. So see, you can see here it has been connected and secure. So you can connect it like this if you want to connect the password on your laptop, okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.